Hello and welcome back to Mastering Microsoft Word, from total beginner to advanced user. Today we enter into one of the most powerful parts of Microsoft Word. That is, the tools that save you hours of typing, scrolling, searching and reformatting. If you've ever edited long documents and thought, oh, there must have been an easier way, then this module is your new best friend. Let's jump into Module 5, Document Automation and Productivity Tools. Session 5.1, Find and Replace. In this session, we will learn how to find words and phrases, and then we'll also learn how to use advanced options such as wildcards and formats. First off, let's talk about the simplest but most important underrated feature of Word, that is find. Whether you are correcting names, checking formatting, or locating a specific term in a 50-page document, find is a lifesaver. To find anything in Word, you can simply press the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl F, or you move to the find icon here and click on it, and this will open the navigation pane for you. Type in a word and Word will instantly highlight every match for you. Let me type business, and Word have done just that for me, and I have 61 mentioning of business in the document. Right under the find icon, we have replace, and this is where the real magic begins. Let's click on it to open the find and replace dialog box. You can see from the document that organization with the spelling S is underlined. We can easily replace the S with Z by looking for the word organization. Let's click on replace all, and Word made 18 replacements. All instances of organizations with the spelling S have been changed to organization with the spelling Z. Just like that, Word cleans up your document automatically. Let's now learn how to use wildcards and formats. Word allows you to replace word with a specific formatting type. It also allows you to look up words starting with certain characters or ending with certain characters. And also, you can use wildcards like searching for phone number formats. For example, if I open the navigation pane once again, and I want to look for words that ends with ing. When I type that, instances of words that contains ing is automatically highlighted for me. Also, if I want to search for words that start with S, you can see that. Assuming I have numbers in my document, as soon as you type the number, Word will also look for it and present the result for you. You see, here it is telling me that I have no match in the document. Section 5.2, Using the navigation pane effectively. Here we are going to learn how to search with the navigation pane by headings, page numbers, and view the results. To use the navigation pane, go to View and select Navigation Pane. You can also use the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl F to open the navigation dialog box. This part is amazing. If your document uses heading styles, you can jump to any chapter or section with one click. That is, assuming I have chapter 1, chapter 2, and conclusion in my document, Word can automatically search for these chapters when I type them here. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. I did not get any result because I do not have chapters in my document. Now let's learn how to use the navigation pane to look up all pages in the document. As soon as you click on pages and the magic appears here, from here you can quickly jump into the page that you want. Page 1, page 2, and so on. Once you get used to the navigation pane, you wonder how you can ever live without it. Section 5.3, Creating and using quick paths. In this session, we will look at auto text. We will also look at building blocks, and finally, we will look at reusable contents. Now, let's automate your typing. Quick paths allows you to save reusable text, so you never retype the same thing twice. It is perfect for signatures, company addresses, standard paragraphs, and frequently used headings. To create an auto text, type something that you want to reuse. For instance, highlight it, then go to Insert and Quick Path. Then you can create an auto text so that the next time you type the first few letters of the same text, Word will suggest it for you, just as it is appearing here. As soon as I typed Rafit, Word suggested the rest of the text for me because it is already in the quick path. So instead of typing the whole sentence out, you just press tab and Word will fill in the text for you. When you create an auto text, Word will add it to its dictionary, and you can reuse it over and over again. Let's also look at building blocks. Building blocks let you save more than just text. It can save tables, cover pages, headers, footers, diagrams, and custom elements. To access them, let's go to Insert once again, click on Quick Path, and we have Building Block Organizer here, and click on Building Block Organizer. Here you can edit your auto text, bibliography, cover page, equations, footnotes, headers, and a host of other things. Feel free to play around with editing and creating auto text. You can also delete or insert your auto text from here. Quick paths are perfect for professionals who handle repetitive documents such as HR forms, invoices, letters, contracts, church announcements, and more. Section 5.4, Working with tables of content. Here we will learn how to automatically generate table of contents. Also, we will learn how to update and format table of contents. Now, let's talk about something essential for long professional documents, and that is table of content creation, or TOC. Word can automatically generate table of content for you. And to create table of content, let's go to Reference. Click on it and click on Table of Content. Choose any of the automatic styles that you want and click on it. Word will automatically scan your headings and generate table of content instantly for you. Using table of contents becomes possible when you format or choose custom heading styles for your document, like heading 1, heading 2, and others. Else, you will get an error message telling you that no table of content entries found in your document. Let's now go back and apply styles to our document. Go to the Home tab. Let's select heading 1. Then heading 2. Heading 2. Let me finish up this quickly. I have finished using styles for my headings. Let's now go back to our table of content and click on Update and see what have just happened. The table of content have been created for us with just a click of the mouse. Isn't this wonderful and super easy? This means that you can add new chapters, change heading names, and move sections around, and Word will automatically update the table of content for you by just clicking Update Entry Table. You can also format the table of content by modifying levels, styles, font sizes, tabs and dots, indentation and alignment. To do this, just right click on the table of content and modify it. Section 5.5, Footnotes, Endnotes, and Citations. Here we will learn how to insert references. We will also learn how to manage sources. And finally, we will learn how to create bibliographies. Let's finish this module with referencing tools. This is critical for academic writing, research reports, church studies, and professional documentation. To insert footnotes, click anywhere in your document that you would want the reference to be. Go to References once again and insert footnote or endnote. Here, Word adds the number and section automatically. Word also comes with built-in bibliography manager. You can add authors, store book titles, save websites, and reuse them in multiple documents. Everything stays organized for you in this way. Still in reference, let's click on bibliography and insert bibliography. Word will automatically scan your document, and if there are no sources for your document, it will let you know. Imagine writing a research project and not stressing about references. Word handles it all. And that brings us to the end of Module 5. You've now learned some of the most powerful productivity tools in Microsoft Word. Tools that turn long stressful tasks into quick automated clicks. In Module 6, we will dive into mail merge, track changes and document security, the tools used by top professionals in companies, organizations and institutions. But first, it's time for assignment. Practical assignment for Module 5. Assignment 1. Find and replace. Now, create a 2-page document with at least 300 words. Use find to locate a specific word, and also use replace to change a word throughout the document. Use advanced replace to replace all bold text with another color. Then also replace any number with the word value. Assignment 2. Navigation pane exploration. Using any document, open the navigation pane. Switch between the headings, pages, and results. Jump to at least 5 different sessions using heading mode. Assignment 3. Create 2 quick parts. Create and save a full name and signature block. A 3-row table formatted as a building block. Insert both into a new document. Assignment 4. Create a document with 6 heading styles: introduction, background, objectives, findings, conclusion, and recommendations. Then insert a table of content. Add a new section and update the table of content. Assignment 5. Footnote, endnote, and bibliography. Write a short 300-word article. Add 2 footnotes and 1 endnote. Add 3 sources in the reference manager. Insert a bibliography at the end. Here is a bonus challenge for you. Create a full research style mini report that is 2 to 4 pages, including headings, footnotes, endnotes, citation, bibliography, table of contents, and navigation pane usage. And that brings us to the end of Module 5. Thank you for staying with me to this end. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so and click on the notification button so that you'll be notified immediately when I release a new tutorial in this series. Bye for now.